live at 3D Experience World 2025 in Houston, Texas.
Model Mania Xtreme!
Powered by Solidworks.
Designers step into the ring to go head-to-head in epic speed modeling challenges. Users, partners, and experts battle in CAD using Solidworks design tools. Winners earn their moment of glory, flaunting the Model Mania Xtreme Championship belt.
Look at that swagger, I love it!
Yet again, we're proving that CAD modeling is a sport, and it takes extreme athletes to perform this.
The ring was imagined in Solidworks X design, sponsored by Send Cut Send, and brought to life by the talented, passionate team at Our Next Make.
I promised if I ever met you, I would control, delete you.
Oh, let's get ready to model!
Heavyweight surface modelers went head-to-head in the Sub-D showdown. These experts battled using the freeform subdivisional modeling tools in X Design and X Shape. Competitors had only 20 minutes to model something extraordinary.
We've got a winner! It's the Surface Slayer!
I can model anything in this there world.
He can model anything!
Join the action with us when Model Mania Xtreme returns to 3D Experience World 2026 back in Houston, Texas.